Every single day working in the CCC, you learn new lessons, you learn new things that you can take to the next day and do better.
There's a lot of things that I like about it. They've offered a lot of trainings and a lot of classes. I've learned a lot while I've been here.
You definitely see things differently.
Well, this training basically breaks it down.
There's multipliers that are on these.
We helped start building it and painting it months ago.
I didn't know it was going to be this deep. I didn't know that I was going to be able to wire my own outlet or wire my own switch or wire my own light bulb.
Because it's really hands-on and we really got to see firsthand where the power comes from, how to hook everything up.
It's really going to help me, especially when we're going back to projects and we're working on light fixtures. He will teach you how the electricity works. When you put two wires together, like why that lights a light bulb.
You just see walls, you don't see the inside of this. So when you visually see it, it gives you a better understanding of how it's working.
Now going through the class, there's just more understanding of what we're actually doing and where the power is coming from and how it's being sourced.
People pay thousands of dollars for these 3 courses. So all this training is very beneficial for if you want to go into the electric industry. We have a lot of career paths after completing our year.
It's in the job is when I'm getting the trainings, where I thought I was going to have to wait till afterwards and pay for them myself and things like that, when this is just all given to us for free. And matter of fact, we're paid to be here. Not a better deal than that.